Hi brave little artists, I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a happy slice of pizza. You'll need a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's get started. First we're going to start with the crust. You're going to take your marker and make a slight rainbow shape. And then we'll come back to the left side here and go down a little bit and then back up and over to connect the lines. Then we're going to draw 2 lines down, one on each side at an angle just to make the pizza shape, but don't connect them at the bottom. We're going to leave a small gap between the two, and then we're going to make some little squiggly lines to connect the sides, and this is going to give us that melted cheese look that we want. Perfect. And then we're going to come back up to the top and draw 2 nice big circles for the eyes. And we're going to add 4 more circles inside of those just to make some pupils and some little highlights there. All right, and then don't forget to give him some little eyebrows and a tiny little mouth as well. Now we'll start drawing the pepperonis. So just draw some circles wherever you'd like and add a few dots inside for the texture. And then I'm going to add a few lines on the crust as well for texture. When we get back up to the top there, you'll see. As many pepperonis as you want. Perfect. Okay, and now I'm going to add just a few more little lines and dots on the crust just to give that some texture as well. All right, it's looking great. Now it's time to color. Feel free to make it your own and use your favorite colors. I'm just going for a classic look here, so I'm using yellow for the cheese, and we're going to do red for the pepperonis. And make sure you color your eyes as well. So I did a nice black for the eyes and some pink for the cheeks there. And then for my crust, I actually did not have the right color brown that I was looking for, so I just found a little crayon, a little broken crayon here, and it was perfect. So just use whatever you got lying around. It'll work out. Now look at your slice of pizza. You did an amazing job, and I had so much fun drawing with you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you next time.